Guess who, Pikachu? It's oh, the thing, the
thing.
There's Nikki, and they point the camera at me. The thing that all girls do when they get a camera pointed at them. Check it out, ladies. We have a messy garage full of paint cans on the floor, and we have some vinyl lined up, ready to go. So we're gonna pull that off. It fellows up here actually. This is for the quarter panel. You want like this, like it. Just like this, and obviously up there too. We're gonna take this off. We're gonna clean up the panel, and we are gonna start wrapping the quarter panel. So that's the game plan for right now, since that roof still pissed me off. But we're gonna see how much we have left. If we don't have enough left, it's only $30 for a 4 foot by 5 foot piece, and that's all we need to wrap the roof. So let's get started on this. Execute the time lapse now. Well, after I clean, you'll see a time lapse. Goodbye. Recording and action. So here's the latest update on the STI, how we're doing. Quarter panel all done, but we're not done yet. You know why? There's a problem. So let me show you this. You might be wondering, what is that doing in here? Well, let me show you what it's doing in here. You see this? That's a band-aid, because so when I was wrapping the quarter panel, I wrapped the trunk when it was hot one day, you know, and I wrapped it with the door open and everything, and I just knocked it out pretty easily because it was a nice hot day. Then we did the quarter panel. It was cold in here, and that was a big no-no. If you know anything about vinyl, you don't work with it in the cold. My stubborn ass is like, you know what? I need to do it, so I'm gonna do it. I did it, and the vinyl ripped. It ripped right here. So I'm gonna redo the quarter panel. Not right now. Obviously, that's why I put the band-aid over it. I'm not gonna do it right now. I need to finish the whole car first. I have my heater in here to warm the garage up. We had it in here for like an hour already, and it's nice and warm. But we're gonna finish wrapping the rest of the car. I'm about to do the doors right now. And wasn't I gonna tell you something? What was I gonna tell you again? Fuck! I forgot what I was gonna say. But that is the update. We're gonna do the doors right now. I have the door handles off already. Oh, I know what I was gonna tell you now. Alright, here's the scoop. I didn't tell Nikki this yet. You see this mirror? You're supposed to take the mirror off to wrap the car, right? Here's the problem, doodles. Guess what? I can't get that off even with my screwdriver. Uh-oh. There's one screw on my mirror. There's 3 screws to get it off. I'm sorry, I'm peeking stuff. 3 screws to get it off, right? Let me open my door. Let me show you how to open this door with no handles. Where's my thingy at? Ready? Bloop. So peek this. Ugh. There are 3 screws right here, right? That one, this one, there's one in here. Let me show you. There's one right there. That screw, I shit you not, for the life of me, I used the drill with the impact. I used a fucking regular flathead, like a fucking regular Phillips, and I can't get it out. It's so tight. Like every time I try to like twist it, I put all the pressure in the world on it, and I can't get it out. It's super fucking tight. I cannot. This mirror probably hasn't been off since the day this car came off the assembly line. Well, actually, no, it did come off once. There was gander doors on this mirror on this car before I bought it, but I don't know how tight this guy put these mirrors back on. I can't get them off. That screw's so fucking tight on there. I cannot get it. So I'm gonna have to wrap under the mirror. Sadly, it is what it is, though. You know, I'm gonna try to get the other mirror off still when I do the other side, but I cannot get this driver's side door mirror off. So that's where we stand right now. I'm not recording a lot of the wrapping process because I don't think anyone wants to watch like a 15-minute time lapse, you know. So I am going to finish these doors. Hopefully not rip the vinyl because it's warm in here. And we will continue on. Ignore that band-aid, sorry. It's gonna get fixed. It will, so I'm not upset because I know I can fix it. Yes, sir. Yes, sirree, Bob. Look at, hey, there's me. Hello, me. It's me. Doors are done. Now we're about to move on to the side skirt. Doors are finally done. Mirror is done. Nikki's right there. Looking hot. Mamacita. And we're gonna do the side skirt now. Side skirt's gonna be a little tricky because it's really weird shaped. But La Cholo way, we're gonna end the lose right now, so I'm kinda hyped to do the side skirt, kinda not hyped because it's probably gonna be tough. But look how shiny this fucking vinyl is on camera. God damn. It's super shiny on camera. It's crazy. I like it. It is really shiny. But I did say like it's not really orange peely, and it's not super orange peely, it's just a little orange peely. You can't really tell on camera. I'm gonna see if I can get up close. When I first pulled it out of the box, it didn't look orange peely, but like when you lay it on the car, it looks just a little peely, like orange peely, but not too bad. Not too bad at all. I like it. I like the way it's coming out so far. Really mirrored finish. It's super shiny. Come look at it on the camera. Come look at this shit on camera. Look at it. It looks super shiny, huh? Yeah, we're gonna do this. Well, we're gonna do the side skirt. We're gonna do the rear bumper, and then move on to the other side and do the other quarter panel, the other doors, and then the other side skirt, the other mirror, and then we will put the roof frame back on since that's already done. And we will flip the car around and do the front and the fenders and the front bumper, and we will be done. Here we go. Woo! One smooth, fresh quarter panel. God damn, that came out good. Rear door is also done on the passenger side. We need to cut that off. We just finished, and we're just putting everything away because we're done for the day. All we did was this, put the roof vane back on, looking smexy as always. Look at this rapper girl right here. Hi, rapper girl. We have this side done. Mirror kind of peeled off a little bit, so we're gonna redo this. No big deal, just peeled up a little bit right there. I put too much stretch on it because usually with the mirror, like you'll stretch it over, heat it up, and it shrinks back down the sides. And I didn't get enough material right there, so I'm gonna rip this off. Do that again with some scrap pieces. This side's done. Still don't like this side, so I want to redo this quarter panel and make it look like the other one. I want to redo the roof still because it got dust under it, and that's pretty much where we are right now. The car is about 50% done exactly. You could say we have the hood, fenders, front bumper, front door, and we're done. That is all she wrote.
Maybe if I hope, maybe if I pray, this shit'll go away.